Hey everyone, we're going to continue talking about toys today for our inquiry lesson. And I have a special question for you that we're going to be working on today. It says, how can we sort toys from past and present? So how can we sort toys by sorting the toys that are new and sorting the toys that are old? Or sorting the toys from the past and sorting the toys that we have right now presently. So we've been working on this KWL chart, and what I wanted to remind you is that we can keep asking ourselves questions throughout our entire inquiry unit about what else we want to know. Something might come up in today's lesson that you might be curious about and you might want to write a question about. And that's awesome. We can add it to our chart. And then we're also going to be filling this in right here, what I learned, because I know we've learned a lot about toys so far. So we talked about how we can organize toys from old toys and new toys. And then I also showed you a lot of pictures of what some old toys look like and what some new toys look like. Today, I'm going to be showing you a little timeline. We watched a video earlier this week about toys that were made all throughout this different timeline and how toys can change from decade to decade. That means every 10 years, every 5 years, every couple of years now that we have so much technology, toys can really change. So this is an example. And it's going to be off by probably some years because your grandparents and parents and you were probably born in different times. So you guys were born, if you're in my kindergarten class, that means you were probably born in about 2015 or 2016. So we might need to add some years to this timeline that Mrs. Ferris is using for our lesson, which means your parents might be a little bit younger, your grandparents. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to show you that I'm going to change some pictures on my screen to show you some pictures of some older toys from the 1950s. Like I showed you earlier, a lot of porcelain dolls, metal cars, building. This is a wooden sailboat. So that just repeats. And then some toys from the 1980s, a lot of Star Wars stuff. Always have teddy bears, different games, different action figures. And then some of the toys that are more recent, like a lot of different motorized cars, Barbie dolls. Like we said, you can play with your Nintendo. I know a lot of people have like Nintendo Switches or PlayStations, a lot of electronic games as well. So I'm going to make this a little bit bigger for you so I can go over your assignment for today. Today, you need to find your packet. It says January on it. January activities. Find this packet. You can pause this video if you need to find your packet, and then you can press play when you're ready. And then I think it's only on the third page. There's two papers. This paper, which says past and present toy sort. And then there's another paper that goes along with it that shows you different toys from the past and then toys that are more present, which means here and now. So what you'll do is you can just actually rip them, or you can gently tear them off from your packet. And then what you're going to do is you're going to cut up all the little different boxes, use some glue, and sort the toys that go in the present column. That means the toys that you might see today. and then the toys from the past column, which means toys that might be a little bit older. So I'll show you an example. This bear right here looks like a bear we might see today. But this train right here, this train looks like something that kids might have played with a long time ago. So I'm going to take some glue, or you can also take some tape. And I'm going to put the train in the past column. And I'm going to put the bear in the present column to show you that you can sort your toys past, meaning old or a long time ago, and then present, meaning right here and now. So that's your assignment for today. I hope you have fun, and if you have any more questions about toys, let me know during our live time together, and I will add to our KWL chart.